DJI grew completely obsessed with a radical, borderline unhinged engineering thesis, deleting the controller, deleting the setup process, and compressing a high-fidelity cinematic camera into a palm-sized aircraft that weighs significantly less than a standard smartphone. They wanted a drone that launches directly from your open hand, tracks your movements autonomously with absolute pinpoint precision through chaotic environments, and lands smoothly back on your fingertips without you ever touching a single analog stick. That brings us to right now, and the arrival of a tiny micro machine that completely blows up the traditional design rules of the consumer drone market. This is the ultimate unfiltered truth about the brand new DJI Neo 3. This is not your typical tech review loaded with dry corporate specification reads and lazy marketing slides meant to put you to sleep. Today, we are breaking down the terrifying, hyperdense silicon core driving its autonomous artificial intelligence tracking algorithms, the hidden aerodynamics behind its fully enclosed high-thrust shroud grid, the psychological traps buried inside its absolute zero-friction workflow, and the brutal real-world reality of what this pocket monster means for the future of independent content creation. If you think your current folding camera drone is perfectly fine, or that micro-autonomous drones are just a temporary low-quality novelty toy, you need to listen very carefully to what we are about to uncover, because your entire perspective on taking to the sky is about to change permanently. Let's dismantle the illusion of drone technology right from the start. Mainstream drone manufacturers want you to focus entirely on big numbers. They brag about multi-mile transmission ranges, giant physical sensors, and massive maximum wind resistance scores. But when you look at the reality of daily content creation, those extreme specifications carry a massive hidden flaw: operational friction. The best camera in the world is completely useless if it stays trapped inside your backpack because the setup process takes 10 minutes and draws massive amounts of unwanted attention from everyone around you. If you are a solo vlogger walking through a vibrant urban street, an athlete tearing down an active forest trail, or a casual creator hanging out at a beach with your friends, you do not want to stop the organic flow of the moment to assemble a massive flying machine. The original attempts at building microdrones were absolute, unmitigated disasters. They featured sluggish processing chips that would instantly lose track of their target. Their lightweight bodies would get tossed around violently by the slightest draft of wind, and their completely exposed propeller blades turned them into dangerous, buzzing hazards that would lacerate skin or shatter upon the slightest contact with an obstacle. The Neo 3 represents an aggressive, completely uncompromising leap forward in computational miniaturization and structural defense, built from the absolute ground up to remove every single layer of physical anxiety from the flight experience. At the absolute structural center of this tiny engineering marvel sits a fully enclosed, high-durability polymer cage shroud that completely wraps around its custom high-efficiency quad-propeller layout. DJI completely rejected the traditional open folding arm design of the consumer market.